Let's see if I can fix this guy. This is a radio. It's not working. He said he put new batteries in it. I'm gonna test it out. Oh, that was good. Oof. Ooh. Nice corrosion. Don't know what that is. All right, I'm going to take those screws out. Well, I found this wire off. I don't exactly know where it's supposed to go. Oh, it goes on the battery there. I don't know if I can save that. I don't even know if I can get them out of there without breaking them. I'm going to try to get it out. I wonder if I have like a toy or something laying around that I can scavenge. I was able to get that out. It's pretty beat up. There's like no spring left in it. Maybe if I stretch it, I can get the spring life back out of it. The other one's pretty corroded. I got a little white vinegar. I'm gonna let it sit in there for a little bit, and then I'm gonna scrub it with an old toothbrush. Clean it off with some baking soda. Baking soda and distilled water. Cleaned it up as best I could. I got it all off of the tips. I used the deoxit with a brush. It worked better than the vinegar. I cleaned off the circuit board with the deoxit and the brush. It worked pretty good. Circuit board looks real good. Reattached through the miracle of time. Got it back together. I got the batteries in. Next step, I'm gonna hot glue those in so they stay in place. There you go, got some hot glue on there. Not the prettiest, but it'll work.